You've definitely heard of drone cameras, but have you ever imagined one popping out of your phone? Well, Samsung is about to turn this fantasy into reality. According to leaks, Samsung is gearing up to launch this groundbreaking drone camera smartphone in the coming days. And guess what? This phone won't have a front camera. Instead, it will feature a 200-megapixel mini drone camera, tucked inside the top of the phone, which can be accessed and controlled remotely within a certain range. On top of that, it's rumored to pack Qualcomm's most powerful processor yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. If you're as excited as we are about this futuristic device, make sure to watch this video till the end, because we're diving deep into its full features, price, and launch date. Let's start. Features of the Samsung Flying Drone Camera Phone. Samsung's upcoming futuristic smartphone is set to feature a massive 6.95-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED display, with a stunning resolution of 1440 x 3088 pixels, and a pixel density of 500 ppi. But that's not all. It will also boast a 144 Hz refresh rate, and a 390 Hz touch sampling rate, for buttery smooth scrolling and gaming. Plus, it's rumored to come with an in-display fingerprint sensor for security, Gorilla Glass Armor 2 for durability, and an IP69 rating for water and dust resistance. Camera setup. The star of the show is undoubtedly the drone camera. This phone will feature a 200-megapixel wide-angle drone camera that can literally fly out of the phone, allowing you to capture photos and videos from unique angles. And that's not all. On the back, you'll find a triple camera setup, featuring a 108-megapixel primary camera, along with 48-megapixel and 12-megapixel secondary cameras, for all your photography needs. Battery backup. Powering this beast is a massive 7500 mAh battery, which supports 125-watt fast wired charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and even 25-watt reverse charging. And yes, it comes with a Type-C charging port for all your charging needs. Processor. Under the hood, this phone is expected to feature Qualcomm's most powerful mobile processor yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. This means you can expect seamless gaming and multitasking like never before. And for the operating system, it's likely to run on Android 15 right out of the box. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price. This futuristic smartphone is expected to cost around $2,000. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but rumors suggest it could be unveiled by the end of this year.